Welcome everyone to my channel. I will be using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2019. I will be uploading simple tutorials to follow and learn. Let's get started. So we're going to be dealing with some radiuses, some through holes, a boss. Alright, let's go ahead and open up a new file. I will be using the standard inch. Let's start a 2D sketch. I will be using the XZ plane. Also, I will be using the top plane. Let's create a 2 3/4 diameter circle. Right click OK. Also, we're going to be creating a 4.5 inch length line. Right click OK. We're going to use constraints here. I'm going to be using a vertical constraint to the origin. Right click OK. Also a horizontal constraint to the origin. Right click OK. So we're going to be focusing on the 1 inch through holes. So we'll go ahead and create a 1 inch circle on the left side, 1 inch circle on the right side. Now there's a 3/4 inch radius, so we will create a 1.5 inch diameter circle. Oops, that's a comma. Right click OK. So let's create some lines. Now we'll make these circles. Get them together. Now we will be using a tangent constraint. So right click OK. Alright, so we'll be using this tangent constraint. Go ahead. Well, go ahead and delete that line. Click OK, tangent to that circle, tangent to that circle, this line, tangent. All right. Right click OK. So if you hit F8, your constraints are visible, and it looks like each line to the circle is tangent. F9 will hide your constraints. So let's clean this up a little bit. We're going to be using the trim tool. We're going to trim this circle. We're going to be trimming this circle and this one as well. Now it's not constrained to the origin, so we are going to dimension this radius and dimension this radius. Now it's constrained. Finish sketch. we will go to isometric. We're going to extrude. Let's refer back to the print. Our boss is 1 inch tall. Overall length is going to be 1.5 inches. So this bottom portion is only going to be 1/2 inch. So 0.5. I'm going to create a sketch on this face. And it's going to be this 2-inch boss, which is going to be 1 inch from the surface. So make sure your yellow dot is green. It's going to be a 2-inch boss. Finish sketch. We're going to extrude 1 inch. Also, we are going to create this through hole, which is 1.25 inches on this surface. So 1.25 inches. Right click OK. Inch and a quarter. We are going to right click OK. Extrude. We're going to be using the cut function. Where you want it to go all the way through. So if you hold your shift key and your center button on your mouse. So we're going to go ahead and chamfer the edges to 0.0625. Hold your shift and scroll button on your mouse and hit apply. There's our first part. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.